Hello YouTube. Well, the future may be here. The pellet beam propulsion or granular acceleration beam is the name of the project of Artun Davayan, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering and Aerospace Engineering at the University of California at Los Angeles, UCLA. NASA recently recognized that it deserves attention and allocated a grant of $175,000 for further research. It's pittance. More money will be needed, and here's why. The associate professor found a way to abandon both rocket engines and chemical fuel, which must be placed on board ships or in upper stages, accelerating in the traditional way. It is impossible to achieve more or less decent speeds. An example is the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 probes sent to cosmic distances in 1977. Well, listen, it took them altogether at this point 40 years to reach the edge of the solar system, moving at a record speed of 17 kilometers per second. Well, Davayan suggests to disperse the payload from the ground by means of laser beams. The idea was inspired by the breakthrough Starshot project, for which the Russian billionaire Yuri Miller allocated $100 million at the time. He and the then living Professor Cosmologist physician Stephen Hawking announced the start of work on the project at a special press conference that took place on April 12, 2016 in New York. And I told you about Milner before. Well, Milner and Hawking were going to use powerful laser beams to push a sail that would pull a nano-satellite weighing 250 milligrams with a camera on board. The goal is to get to the Alpha Centauri. I told you not long ago about this place. Alpha Centauri star system, closest to Earth in 20 years, and photograph the planets discovered there. The images transmitted to Earth will allow us to understand whether there is life there. Polar pellet beam propulsion assumes the same thing. Only a laser beam, one, will push, but not a sail, but microscopic granules. And already they, partially turning into plasma, will begin to disperse the payload, to transmit an impulse to it and give it the necessary speed. The weight of such a ship can be about a ton. Each granule is accelerated to very high speeds by laser ablation, explains the scientist. And then the pellets transfer their momentum to push the spaceship. According to calculations, the granular beam will achieve a speed of 120 kilometers per second. It will be possible to reach the outer planets of the solar system in a year. And this will require a 10 megawatt laser. See how cool science can be when they want to? I'll bring you more interesting space exploration developments. And if you like my research, please support me through Patreon, PayPal. You'll see the links in the description to this video. Please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and tell others. Thank you.